Hey family, it's Danielle, and today I am going to unbox the Winter Fabfitfun box. It's upside down. The Winter Fabfitfun box. This is my last Fabfitfun box, you guys, and I'm kind of sad about it, but I need to make room for another subscription box that I want to try. It's actually for the kids. So yeah, I had to let go of something in order to bring something in. So yeah, I'm kind of sad, but at the same time, it's been a wonderful 2-year ride. I did a full, like, what all did I use in the Fabfitfun boxes? Was it worth it? I'll leave that video linked if you guys have not seen that one. But it definitely has been worth it. I don't have any regrets about having this box and having it for the last 2 years. So this is the winter box. I got this right before Christmas. I was going to open it on Christmas as like a Christmas gift to myself, but I decided I would wait and unbox it, a true unboxing with you guys. So that's what we're going to do today.
The snob life, the homeschooling life, the bond life, the non-traditional life, the family life,
Telling it how it is. Life outside the box.
and if you don't know what that means,
It's the non-traditional mommy.
baby.
But before we jump into this, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. And on this channel, we do things like unboxing. We talk about marriage and parenting and anything else that pertains to life. So if any of that is an interest of yours, I would love for you to take your fingers and hit the subscribe button and join my little family. To the rest of my non-traditional family, you guys are the MVPs and I love you bunches. Mwah. All right, let's open our final Fabfitfun box, y'all. Like I said, this is definitely a true unboxing. I did not open it at all. I did make selections because if you guys have been on this journey, you know that's the only way that I appreciate Fabfitfun is being able to make selections. So if you're new and you don't know, Fabfitfun is a quarterly box. So you get them once every 4 months, winter, spring, summer, and fall. If you pay annually, you get to make, I think it's 5 selections out of the box. If you pay quarterly, you get to make 3 selections out of the box, and the other items will be surprises. The boxes are roughly about $55 a month, between $50 and $60 a month, or quarterly. And you get over $300 worth of products in your box. So there we go. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got in here. This month is Katie Couric on the cover of the magazine. We have Bright Cellar wine coupon, HBO Max coupon, and then a HelloFresh coupon. So you always get coupons in the box also. All right, let's start with the smaller stuff. All right, so this is a daily, let me go to the value for these items. So this was a Fabfitfun pick, so it's a surprise. So no matter if you're annually or quarterly, they'll surprise you with items that they think that you would love. So this is the Daily Facial Dry Brush. Use this dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and necks to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Well, they got that right. It's vegan. It's valued at $20. They definitely got that right. I do like this. Yay. I've seen like people talk about the brush, like brushing their skin and stuff like that. But I was like, I'm not going to buy a brush to do it. So the fact that this was in my box and I get to try it, I'm excited, y'all. Let y'all know. I'll definitely keep y'all up to date on this. Yeah, it's a dry brush. All right. So there was that. Let's see. This is, what is this? Ooh. This is the Laura Seller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow. So I had the choice between this, a mascara, and a Dr. Brandt's No More Pore Puffifying cleanser. So you guys know how I am about the cleansers. I have enough mascaras, so I decided to go with the Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. I had never gotten an eyeshadow palette from Fabfitfun. They've had them in their boxes before, so I was super excited this time to get to try one. Y'all know over 2020 during the safer at home, I've been playing with my makeup because I mean I ain't going nowhere, so the only people that was seeing it was y'all and y'all family, so y'all don't care if I be looking crazy as I play in my makeup. So anyway, I'm excited to play with this one. This is valued at $45. Oh, let's see if I can get it open. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Those are some pretty colors. Yeah. Yay. I'm excited about this one too. So far, we 2 and 2 for winter, y'all. So yes, I definitely know I will use this. Definitely know I will use this. And I'm excited to have like a higher end eyeshadow palette. Because right now, I just have like Walmart, Target, like stuff I can play in and not feel bad about playing in it. So there's that. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, this was not expecting this. This was another one of their surprise items. Man, they trying to really keep me. So this is a below the belt crock card case. Faux crock case features convenient slots for your ID and credit cards, valued at $35. So this is a faux crock card holder. It is really, really nice. This is really nice, y'all. This is really nice. Really, really nice. I'm sitting here, I don't want to open it because I have so many card holders that I'm thinking I might gift this because this is really nice, y'all. This is really nice. Super, super nice. So yeah, so there's that. All right, so there's that. Oh, it has a zipper on the back. Y'all, I want to open it. I'm not going to open it. It has a zipper on the back too for your coins. That's super nice. Alrighty, so there's that. This is a liquid eyeliner. This was another surprise. This was valued at $21. This is perfect, right on time. Super excited because I was out of my liquid eyeliner. So this came perfect. Not much there, but this is by Aesthetica and it's black. Then we have Rhythm of the Rain hair mask. See, you know, like I won't use this. I don't know. This was, so this one I would have had to be an annual member to get to choose. And I would have gotten to choose between this Rain, which was valued at $28, a high altitude hydration mask, and then Muck Luxe cabin socks. These cozy cabin socks feature, I don't know. Anyway, so this is a hair mask, which I more than likely will not use. So this will definitely be getting gifted to somebody. So there's that. All right, a dark chocolate nut and seed bar. This, I bet, was a gift to everybody. I don't even see this on here. Where'd this come from? We'll come back to that. Fabfitfun sticker. This is new. That's new. That's never been in there. All right, so this bar was just random in there. I don't even see like it on here. I don't know if that was just like a, let's just throw this in there for them. So yeah, that's interesting. So I'm gonna set that to the side. All right, let's see, is that all the little stuff? That's all of the little stuff. All right. So Down here at the bottom is a cutting board set of 4 by E-Pair. Okay, so I would have had to be an annual member to choose between these cutting boards, eye gel, and cider vinegar shampoo powder. Thank God they sent me the cutting boards. Thank you, Fabfitfun. You made the right choice. I love these cutting boards. I love cutting boards. And because my kids are usually in the kitchen cooking with me, there's no such thing as too many cutting boards. Like seriously, I cannot have enough cutting boards. And these are, I don't know if these are plastic. These are dishwasher safe, which is nice because you know your wood ones, you can't put in the dishwasher. And I'm always yelling at my kids, don't put my cutting boards in the dishwasher. They keep doing it anyway, y'all. So it'll be nice that these could actually go in the dishwasher. So, lifetime warranty. But yeah, and it's got 4 different colors. And then it's got like a little rubbery back on it. And then it's got like a little shrimp in the front. They each got something different on them. That's so cool. Yay. Yay for these. And these were valued at $20. So there's that. All right. This was one of my selections, and this is what I'm saying. If y'all just watch my What Did You Get for Christmas, What I Got for Christmas video, I talked about how I love mugs. Now I'm kind of like, I should have got something else. The choices was between the mugs, a moisturizing sorbet, a rapid collagen infusion, a complete eye, a scarf, a LED mirror. See, none of those. I didn't want any of those. I just want the mugs. I'm still glad I got the mugs. But y'all, my coffee mug that I got for Christmas, I'm telling you, I don't think I'll drink out of any other mug. But anyway, these, let's open them up. Are so cute. They look super cute on the website. Look at that, y'all. Says Lily on the inside. That is so cute. Look at the little rose gold handle. Just so cute. And it's a set of 2. These are valued at $42. I just like a cute mug. There's nothing like drinking, you know, your coffee and tea out of a cute mug. It just elevates the whole experience. But, you know, so does having hot coffee and hot tea. So there's that. All right, the last and final thing. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. Y'all don't think I'm crazy. Don't think I'm crazy, y'all. For real, don't think I'm crazy. But to be fair, I had no idea that my mother-in-law was gonna get me a robe for Christmas. So let's go ahead and say that, okay? I had no idea. So this was one that I chose, and it is a Summer and Rose robe. The choices was between this robe, let's see, what was the other choices? An elixir, some flutes, some wine flutes, which I would have gotten the wine flutes. I would have probably gotten those had I known. Had I known that I was going to get that awesome, beautiful, wonderful robe, I would have probably got the wine flutes. But anyway, you can't have too many robes, right? There's no such thing. Anyway, this is a Summer and Rose cozy robe valued at $70. I'm going to open it. And honestly, if I don't know. Oh, this one has a hood. This one has a hood on it, y'all. See, they're all different. That's what it is. They're all different. So this is that one. This is super soft and plush. Also, and then of course it has the little belt with it. But yeah, this one again was valued at $70. It's so soft. This is like that, what is that fabric that is on like the blankets? It's not like a microfiber. It's more of like a, let me see if it says what the fabric is. It says polyester, but this isn't, it doesn't feel like polyester. It's like that fur kind of feeling and material. It's that kind of softness. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll be, you know, pass it forward and I'll gift this robe. That might just be what I do, since, you know, I think the only robe I'll probably be wearing for the next forever is probably my UGG robe. So I may just gift this one, y'all. We'll see, we'll see. So yeah, this was the winter Fabfitfun box, my final Fabfitfun box. So that's what we got, you guys. I'm pretty happy. I think that this was nice. We went out with a bang. We got some nice stuff here, some nice little unexpected gifts and goodies, some things that I think that I will be gifting. So yeah, very nice. Very, very happy with this winter box. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about any of the items in this box, or would like to see any of them in more details or a review over anything, feel free to leave that below. If you're still here, I would love for you to join my family and hit the subscribe button. To the rest of my family, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. This was like so random. I don't know. They must have just threw that in there. But let's taste it. This is a kind thinned, gluten-free, dark chocolate nuts with 90 calories. Let's taste it. I don't like dark chocolate, so let's see. It's actually good, or I'm really hungry because I haven't ate a single thing today. So that could very well be what it is.